Want to know how to organize your tasks in Dola AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So you can easily organize a task with just a single set and the tasks that you have jumbled upon. So, so I have a few tasks that I will just simply paste it onto Dola AI, and I will let you know how you can prompt it and how you can easily let AI just simply organize it for you. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Dola AI application, and once you've opened it up, you should be on this interface right here. So on the top left side, you should be seeing new chat right here, just like that. And now once you select a new chat, here you should be seeing your prompt box. So what you can type in is, so I have this task with me right here. So what you can do is just simply type in this following prompt. So you can simply type in this prompt, or you can just simply type in your own prompt as well. So we can just simply select enter, and it should give you an organized task list, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So as you can just see right here, it's loading, and after a while it should give you the organized task list, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.